how to get Taco Bell coupon codes and deals. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can get Taco Bell coupon codes and deals. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to download the Taco Bell application and sign in or create your account. That will give you access to exclusive mobile only deals and rewards. So once you join Taco Bell or once you're logged in, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom. Head over to reward section. So this is your reward section where you can find the different rewards. If you head over to offers, here you could explore the available offers. If the offers is available, you could use that offers, but currently there's no any offers available right now. So if you head back, you have two rewards that you can claim. That says free welcome reward and another free med drink or refresca crispy chicken item purchase. So that's another reward that I can get. If you want to get your reward, simply tap on redeem, and then you could also snap. If not, you could redeem it in your account. So that's how you can redeem offers in the Taco Bell application. And if you have any promo code that you want to redeem, you could head over to the cart or the back section and apply your promo code, and then you'll see the discounted amount. You could also follow Taco Bell for the flash codes. So make sure that you follow Flash or the Taco Bell on the social media, especially on Twitter and Instagram. They often drop limited time promo code during the Taco Tuesday events or during new product launches. So keep your eye out on the social media accounts as well. You could also search for the promo codes online. If you open up Google in your device and search for Taco Bell promo code, you may also find some of the valid code that you can use to get discounts and offer in Taco Bell. So once you open up Google, hit over the search bar, and there you could search for Taco Bell promo codes. Now these are some of the links where you can find the promo codes. If you head over to simplycodes.com and scroll to it, there you may find a certain code that you can use on the Taco Bell. So that's it. That's how you can get Taco Bell coupon codes and deals. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.